don't know how to greet you, should I?
No, it's okay. It's fine.
Son?
Yeah. Mom?
This is our special guest. She's the daughter of Ono.
Oh.
Yes, she's the chosen one. The best in this kingdom.
I see.
She possesses all the virtues of a queen. So both of you should fraternize together while I join you later.
Mom, there's no need for that.
Don't worry yourself, son. I'm coming.
Thank you, my queen.
Yeah.
You look great, and I like your shoes. They're beautiful, and your chain.
Thank you.
Your beard.
Thank you.
Your skin. Everything is in place, and you're smooth. You're cute.
You look good too.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. So tell me, what you do for a living? Tell me about yourself.
Oh, that. Well, you know my name already. I studied accountancy in the University of Calabar. I served in Abuja. And for now, I am not employed, but I'm working towards getting something to do with my life. And
Sure.
you, how about you?
Well, fine. It's not been easy. I'm done with school, so I'm back here to, perfect what I studied. Yeah. So I have projects in Africa that I came back for. So for you, I wish you all the best. Of course, you're definitely gonna get a job.
I wish us the best.
Sure.
You are great, and it's
Nice to meet you.
it's my pleasure. How do you expect me to sleep like this? I mean, I just can't.
Why? Is there a problem?
My love, am I not sexy enough for you to make me feel like a woman? Am I not?
Why are you sounding like that, though? Is there a problem? You talk to me. What is it?
I want you to make love to me. I need you right now, please.
Hey, no. No, can you stop? That's quite sudden. Stop, please. I'm tired, I need to sleep, please.
Love, please, I need you.
Hey, no.
I need you right now.
Hey, can you stop? That's quite sudden. Stop, please. What is your problem? I just said I want to sleep. Can you let me sleep? I'm tired.
Okay. My prince, will you at least make love to me in the morning?
Till then.
No, I just want to know if you know you're not going to make love to me in the morning, please can you touch me? My whole body needs you.
Hey, what is your problem? I just said I want to sleep. Oh.
Ebubi! Ebubi, what are you doing here? You don't have to be here. This is your mother's grave.
I don't have a place. I don't have a place in your house, Papa. I do not have a place in your house. This is where I find peace.
No. No. Don't say that, Ebubi. Don't say that. This is your mother's grave. You don't need to be here.
That's much reason I'm here. Because I find peace here. I find peace here, Papa.
Now listen. Ebubi, this is your mother's grave. By the way, why didn't you come to the palace for the prince welcome party? It's all right. It's all right. Please come. Let's go home. Please. Stand up. No. You can't be here. This place is dangerous. Please. No. Please.
I want to be here with my mother.
Okay. You want me to be here with you? Is that what you want? Please, come. Stand up. Let us go home.
I'm not going anywhere, Mama. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want to be here. I want to stay with my mother.
You can't be here.
Mama.
Mama. Hey. Oh, the catch along, Mama. Mama. Hey. Tabuta. Oh, Guinea. Mama. My daughter, how do I look?
Mama, you look sploofic.
Are you sure?
You look like new generation mama.
Mama.
You look like new generation mama. How do I look?
You are the most beautiful girl in this kingdom.
Oh, the catch along, Mama.
You are the most beautiful girl in this kingdom.
Oh, Mama.
You look cute.
I know. Mama, let's go to the palace now. What are we waiting for?
My bag, everything. Am I okay?
Mama, you are not the one they are called.
How's final again?
You look like an uncompleted building.
Bam. Where are you going?
Wait, let me even ask you, where do you think you are going?
I'm also going to the palace.
You're also going to the palace. As in the new clothes, ba? Because of the new clothes that they bought for you. Eh?
Mama, you like it?
I went and bought a cloth that is even finer than my daughter's own. Achalu go nwam or the kachalo nwam. You want to wear a better cloth than her.
Papa said I can also come.
They said
because of the new cloth now.
Turn!
Turn, let me see. Turn, just turn, let me see.
Pull it!
You put this cloth here.
Pull this cloth!
Pull the cloth! Olichoya!
Olichi, just wait!
Just wait! Open this zip! Open this zip!
Olichi, why are you doing this?
Open this zip!
Olichi, wait!
Open this zip!
Mama, don't do this, please. Please, wait, stop, wait, just wait.
You want to go to the palace? Who told you that you belong to the palace?
Why are you doing this to me? Olichi.
Who told you belong to the palace? Stay quiet.
Wait now! What? Oh, leave me alone!
Stay quiet! You want to go to the palace? Look at me.
Are you doing this?
Give it to not bring me my sister and crazy.
It's fine, no way.
It's fine, but we want it. Matches and crazy. Shut up! Who told you that I belong to the palace? Go away.
No, can slave like you. Just give me my dress. Please. Come on, leave it. Let me now tell you. Olichi, pick up. Light it. Olichi, I'm your sister. Olichi is me. Olichi, I'm your sister. Olichi, pick up. Hey.
Yes. Wait. You want me to
Papa, what have I done to them? What wrong have I done? Oh, why am I being treated like this? Why?
So Oluchi and the mother bought that beautiful dress I bought for you.
Papa, not only did they burn the dress you bought, Papa, they beat me up. Papa, they humiliated me. Papa, I was almost stripped naked outside here. All for what? Tell me.
Ebube, now listen. I will make sure that this rubbish, this nonsense stop today. It must stop today. Please stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Ebube, I am going to make sure that this rubbish stops today.
Explain how I made such silly mistake. Believe me, it was not intentional. Biko, I'm sorry. I only wanted to serve you breakfast in bed.
What kind of stupid breakfast in bed was that? That tasteless food? Very salty. Please, better go to the dining. Whatever I find there, I eat it.
No, my love, I am sorry, please.
If you don't know how to do something, you better don't try. Do what you're used to. Maybe a goosey soup or a bowl of soup. Follow me first in bed. Please don't touch me. Don't touch me. Breakfast in bed. Yes.
Hope you're enjoying your breakfast.
Yeah.
Where is Emma?
I don't know. She should be in the room.
Why did she not join you in the dining?
Mom, please. I don't want to talk about that.
I hope you guys are getting along well.
Mom, that's way too fast. All right, we need some time to bond.
Anyway, whatever you are doing, you have to be very fast about it. Everyone is expecting you to get married soonest. You know that?
Well, when we get to the bridge, we will cross it. Can you allow me to enjoy my breakfast in peace?
Go ahead and eat your food, okay? While I check them upstairs.
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
Yeah. Join you.
Okay. How are you now?
I'm fine. Oh.
Fine girl. Every time you're shining.
And you?
After you see I'm the only one that likes money. As if you don't like money.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't understand Ifeoma. Finally, Ifeoma refused to attend to Prince Jamike's welcome party.
My dear, are you telling me?
Was I not there? I was there. Do you know, at some point, I was even thinking maybe she wants to come late. And this girl never showed up. Sometimes I wonder if this girl is actually our friend. I'm telling you the honest truth. Because the way she does her things baffles me. You have a conclusion with her. This is what we are going to do.
Do you understand? Next thing, she'll go behind our back and do what she wants.
Anyway.
That reminds me. Have you heard the latest? How that stupid Dimma with her 2 tiny left legs, and she was parading around this village, telling people that me, Dimma, Majularo, Aroka Aqua, or the catcher, like, came to her house to beg her to clean her house for her.
Hey.
Dimma, she has dealt, she has, in fact,
Dimma. Dimma. So, she thought we are on her side, but we're going to prove her wrong.
Bam. We're going to prove her wrong. And to think that even her mother, she and her mother are making mockery of us in this village, that we are begging her daughter to be her maid, to wash and cook for them in that their house. Me, see, let me tell you, me, I cannot be alive in this village and watch Dimma marry Prince Jamike. Is she finer than me? No, check it out now. No, check me. Dimma come on, she does not have it. What are you even saying? I don't know about it because the way you're sounding is as if you don't even want the Prince Jamike again. But as for me, you see me, see me, see Prince Jamike. Chineke, let's go together. No going back.
Anyway, that's alright.
Alright.
That's alright.
So you don't want him again?
No.
No problem.
It's not like I don't want him, but I don't want us to be dragging into this.
After all, this talk is for our stupid deformer that calls herself our friend. But I know both of you cannot even stand me when it comes to Jamike because I'll crush both of you. Let's go before we start fighting. No, let's go. I will crush both of you.
I am so sorry about what happened this morning concerning the breakfast. Honestly, I feel ashamed of myself to have made such silly mistake. But believe me when I say that it's one that I've corrected. And I promise it will never repeat itself. Please forgive me.
It's fine. I have forgiven you.
Thank you very much, my prince. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I want us to talk, if you don't mind.
Okay, of course I don't. I hope there's no problem.
Well, there won't be a problem if both of us agree.
But my prince, of course I will always agree with you.
Okay, so I want you to stay away from me for some time. So I have so much on my sleeve I need to tidy. Okay, so I need to be alone. I cannot do all of that with you around me.
So, you're saying that I should leave the room?
No, that's not what I'm talking about. I mean, you should go back to your parents' house, okay? I'm going to send for you when I'm done with my projects and everything, okay? But for now, I need you to go to your parents' house, chill over there till I call you up to come again.
My prince, am I disturbing you?
I didn't say you're disturbing me. You just didn't get the drift. I said I just want to be alone for some time. When I'm done, then I will send for you. It's very simple. Yeah.
My prince, please. Don't send me away. I am begging you. I already said I am sorry, and it's from my heart. I promise I will never make such mistake again. I'm begging you, but please, do not send me away.
Well, I guess we have a deal, right? I have an important meeting to catch up with. Just to what I said. Peace will reign.
Oluchi, come here. Idiot. I am not the only man in this community that has guests as my children. You will not bring disgrace. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Papa, I'm here now.
Start. Come down. Come down here. You will not bring disgrace to this family, Oluchi. You will not.
Papa, welcome.
Thank you, my daughter. Now, just look at your sister. Look at your sister, Oluchi. Look at your sister, Ibube. She is here washing your clothes, washing everything, keeping the house clean, and all you could do was just to go and look for young men to tangle with.
I was not the one looking for him.
Mechano. You think you will bring disgrace to this family? Oluchi! Hey!
Papa, you're busy now. Please, I'm sorry. I'll just...
Papa, I was not the one looking for him. Oh,
you
the one looking for me. I don't say let me look smart.
Papa.
I overheard your voice shouting from inside. What happened? Why are you shouting?
Oh, is it not your daughter? Is it not your daughter?
What happened to her? What did she do?
Did you know what I saw?
What did you see?
I saw this girl under a shade with one young boy. They were kissing themselves.
Papa.
Look at her. Now look at your elder sister, Bubi. She is industrious. She is hardworking. Cleaning everything. Washing your mother's clothes. Washing your own clothes. Doing all the domestic chores in this house. But all you could do was just from one end of the road to the other looking for young men. You are a disgrace, Oluchi.
Papa, stop comparing me with Ebube. We are not the same. We are not the same.
Can you just keep quiet for once in your life and listen? What is even your problem? What is wrong with you? All Papa is doing is he's just trying to bring you back on track, but your stubborn head will not even listen. Shut up and listen to advice, Oluchi. Shut up and listen.
Look, when human beings are talking, go on, you open your mouth and be talking. See, I know you are just jealous of me.
Hey, shut up!
Keep quiet there. You're not finer than me. Just shut up there.
Advisor of the Federation. Keep your advice to yourself. I don't want it. Leave me alone.
So, you are now portraying my beautiful daughter, my beautiful daughter. You are now portraying her as the black sheep of this family, okay? No problem. No problem. No problem.
Egoibo.
Abachoso. Nani, agwa mile. All in one. Mommy. Let's go. Come.
Thank God you have just said Abachoso Agwamai. What you are building today, you will climb it tomorrow.
The same to you, Nai. Oh yeah, Baimono. The same to you.
I
wish you the same.
Don't worry.
And for you.
When it will happen, you will look for me. Don't lock my door. Don't lock my door. That is my house. Don't lock my door. Ibube, my daughter, listen. Don't mind Ego and the daughter. Whatever thing they sow today, they will reap it tomorrow. Enugo, they think they will bring disgrace to me in this community.
That was exactly what happened, Father.
Yeah.
You mean you didn't do anything? He asked you to leave. Eh?
The only thing I did was to prepare noodles, which I served him. And of course, he claimed he did not enjoy it.
Hey! Bia. Were you supposed to cook as a future queen? Was she supposed to be cooking in the kitchen as a future queen? Hey!
Mama. Oh, I only did that to please the prince. Unfortunately, it did not turn out the way I planned.
What I don't understand is the prince saying that he needs some time and space to think and to be alone. When he has this big job at hand.
Nai, let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be that the prince is dropping our daughter for another girl. He's trying to turn our daughter down because I will not take it lightly. I will not take it kindly with them.
It hasn't come to that. Still, I have to find out from the Igwe why the prince will have to tell our daughter to leave. Huh? Meanwhile, let me go in there and freshen up and get to that palace. Huh? Huh? One day. Huh?
You need some time. You need some time. On a login on a time. Did both of you do anything? When you fool me like tangling.
Mama, nothing happened.
What is nothing happened? But I advised you to allow him sleep with you. Allow him have a kind of knowledge of you. No, you didn't give him you didn't give him organ.
Mama, I tried my best. But that prince is very stubborn.
You tried your best. Your best is not good enough. Then how are we going to capture him? Put him. Get I guess where want here? Hey. Why marry Ife? I thought I would my daughter that knows how to. Hey.
Well, Mama, I did my best now. What was I supposed to do? He didn't want to.
Okay. Let's wait and see how it goes. Let's see what happens.
I didn't like the way that you asked Chidima to leave.
Mom, I see nothing wrong in telling someone quietly to let me be for some time. That I need some time alone to myself.
Why do I have this feeling that my brother don't like that girl?
I didn't say so.
Oh, come on, son. You should have allowed the girl to stay with you for a while so that both of you will understand each other better. That's the proper thing to do.
Well, Dad, I don't need a century to know who I like or who I don't like. And I see nothing wrong in telling her to go and come back, maybe some other time.
She's a beautiful girl. There's no reason why you won't like her. Huh? Oh, that's Onohu's daughter.
Dad, please. I need to take my leave right now, please. 1 minute, please. Sorry, guys. I need to take my leave.
What's wrong with this guy?
What an I
don't understand.
Dad, Mom, do you want to hear the truth?
What is the truth?
Okay, I will tell you. It's written all over him. Jamike don't like this girl. You people don't want to accept the truth. Accept the truth already. Jamike don't like this girl.
How am I going to respond to on this matter? I hope you're not the one instigating him.
Find a way to tell Onowu. This is the situation. This is the way it is.
Excuse me.
Okay.
What are you even talking about? Why are you concluding on something you don't even know? Leave!
I'm leaving. I'm leaving already.
I just found out that.
Daddy, Mommy, Jamike don't like this girl.
Please.
I'm leaving.
What are you wine and
Mama, honestly, I am not happy. I'm not. I mean, I don't like the way Papa embarrassed Ebuka yesterday. Why would he do that? He even embarrassed him publicly for that matter. Now I've been calling the young man since he has refused to take my calls.
Oluchi, what is even going on between you and that Ebuka?
Mama, I love him and he wants to marry me.
Yes. If he wants to marry you, simple. Let him come and do the needful. By performing all the marriage rites. You know it's not too good for two of you to passing each other behind. Without doing the normal thing now. You know, Mama,
I have heard. I heard everything you said. I will pass the message to him and then get back to you.
But you know, remember, the earlier, the better.
Why did you say that, Mama?
The earlier, the better.
Why?
Oluchi, see this your sister, baby. I want you to get married before her. I don't want her to marry before you. So that you can start giving me grandchildren now. Adam.
Mama.
Or don't you want to give me grandchildren?
You Nyegi nwoke.
Nyegi nwanyị.
Like I said, I will pass this message to Ibuka sharp
better
and then get back to you.
Hey, no.
Meanwhile, I go.
Bano now.
Bano. Balanced diet.
Balanced diet.
Mama.
Come we go do.
Come we go do balanced diet.
Balance. Happen dia la je you draw for gin mamu. Dia la.
My dear, have you noticed? Have you not noticed that the queen has not been happy since Chidima left the palace? Haven't you noticed?
My dear, even the owner is not happy with the decision of the prince.
The manner at which Princess Chidima left the palace, I don't think all is well. I don't just think all is well.
My dear, if you ask me, I think the prince don't like Chidima.
Well, if I may ask, the king and the queen, they should have considered Prince Jamike's likes and dislikes. I don't like that lousy girl.
My dear, if you ask me, I think the prince may want to choose the bride now by himself.
Wait.
Yes.
What did you just say?
The prince may want to choose the bride now by himself.
Yes. Perfect. Yes. Do you know why I said perfect? This is the perfect opportunity that all of us has been waiting for us to be Prince Jamike's chosen bride. What do you think?
My dear, stop dreaming. We are just mere servants of the palace, and our position in the prince's bride is not meant for people like us.
It's not meant for people like you. But as for me, I won't give up. Alright? It's meant for people like me. Since Chidima is out of the way, I will try all my best to make sure that the prince looks at me. So,
you are right. Let's hurry and go back to our duty post. Okay?
Okay, let's go.
Where are you taking the drinks to?
I'm taking them to the princess.
The princess?
Yes.
Is she with anybody?
Yes, she's with some of her friends.
Wait. See, you later, when you're done with this thing, just come. I want to tell you something.
What could that be?
You know now. Just go. Just go and come back first.
I don't have your time. Let me hurry up before she starts calling me.
It's something that will benefit us, the both of us.
If you ask me, this is the right time for us to put on our thinking caps together.
How do you mean by that? She meant you should grab this opportunity with both hands. Yes.
I don't know for you girls, but as for me, I think we should plan together so that the prince will be ours.
Ifoma, hold it there. What do you mean by ours? If I don't have the chance to be prince, then who are you two?
Wait, who is talking? You? Elegant babe like me. You want to compare yourself with me? Let me ask you, are you more beautiful than me? Are you prettier than me? Look at this one.
Hold it there. Elegant babe. If you see elegant babe, can you pronounce it? Elegant babe. I can see that both of you are very, very insensitive. And what makes you think Prince Jamike is going to choose these things, these riffraffs, over Ujudika? Anyway, it is left for Prince Jamike to decide on who he wants to marry. And so, as a bride to be, I don't need to be here to battle words with you charlatans. So you can go ahead and kill yourself for all I care. I'm out of here. The elegant. Lily.
I beg, go. Just go far, go far.
Look at this girl.
You
Look at this.
talk. Don't follow me.
Yes, sis, you said you want us to talk about something.
Yes. But you have to promise me that you're going to do whatever I say.
How can I promise you that? How about if it's not something I really want to do?
It's something you can do for me, brother, please. Okay, brother, I want you to meet my friends. Yes, you would like them, I promise.
Look, I don't think I will like to meet anyone. I mean, I'm still trying to get off myself from Dima's charcoal, and you're trying to put me to another person.
I know, but please, my friends are not like that. Yes, they are not. These ones, they are nice girls. Very good girls. You would like them. Just give them opportunity to come see you, please.
You sound so sure about them.
Because they are my friends and I know. I'm sure they are good girls. You will like them. Please say yes.
Kisses.
Please.
Well, if you say so, if you say they have good attributes to meet with your friends, then why not? We'll schedule for tomorrow. I don't think I have a problem with that. You could tell them to stop by.
Yes! Thank you, big brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. You will like them. I only want you to be happy.
Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Exactly what I want to do. I want to be happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. So when are they coming?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Or do you want it this night?
No. Tomorrow.
Oh no. I heard you. I heard you loud and clear. But I can assure you that the matter is not as serious as that. We just need to apply some caution.
Yeah, but Igwe, my daughter said she did not do anything in any way to wrong the prince. And that's why I want to know why the sudden change of attitude towards her, or when it was women in particular.
Actually, no. There's nothing. There's nothing like change of attitude at this stage. Nothing like that, as far as I know. My son told me that she just asked her to give him some space so that he can put himself together. That's all. There's no cause for alarm.
Your Majesty, if you ask me, I will say that that is a subtle answer. But deep down in me, I feel that your son, the prince, want to diplomatically dump my daughter. But come to think of it, why would he do that when my daughter has kept herself for years for him? Kept herself sacred for him for years.
No. Let us not jump into conclusions yet. Yes, let's not make wrong assumptions yet. We need wisdom, like elders, to handle this matter. Yes, I will talk to my son again and I'll find out what exactly the matter is, and I'll get back to you. But I can assure you that what if nothing is happening.
Oh yes, I always trust you. I rely on you. Well, thank you so much for your understanding of the situation.
Anytime, any day, you're welcome. You're my person, eh? We are together in this matter, are we not? Trust me on this. We'll get to the end of it. And what if your name? And what if your name? Eh? Oh no! I can assure you. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Eube,
Papa.
are you done with house chores?
Yes.
Okay. Can you play your ball for me?
Yes, Pa. You want it?
Of course.
Okay, let me just go and get it.
It's okay.
Papa, I can't find my umbo. I can't find it where I kept it. Papa, who has taken my umbo?
Who else is in the house?
Papa, there's nobody in the house.
What of Oluchi and Ego?
Papa, they went out earlier. They said they were going to the farmland at Ugwoji Junction. I don't know. Papa, my umbo is missing. Who must have taken it now?
I think they are up to something.
Hey. Papa.
I'll go look for it.
Papa, you know this Ubo is the only thing that makes me happy. That's the only thing that makes me happy. Now, I kept it now. They have taken it from there. What do they even want from me? I'm tired of all this. Hey.
Calm down. When I'm done eating, I will go.
Oh, Papa, don't tell me to calm down, Joe. Don't tell me that.
Okay,
oh, no. Leave me.
You don't want me to eat?
Yeah? I want you to eat.
So calm down, yeah?
Oh. Okay, let me go and look for it again.
Get me water, eh? Ebube, get me water.
My son, Jamike, I want you to tell us your reason for asking Onowu's daughter to leave. It's a very serious matter. What happened?
Can you please confine us? Tell us why you suddenly dislike her. What is the problem?
The truth is, I cannot marry Dimma.
What?
Why?
She doesn't have the qualities I need in a wife.
I said it. I said it that Dimma is not a wife material, but no one listened to me. Shut your mouth. I don't go shut your mouth for once.
Son, can you tell us some of those qualities that you desire in a woman which the girl does not possess? Perhaps we can make amends.
Dad, where do I start from? One, Dimma is so desperate to become pregnant. I really don't know why. Secondly, she is not a good cook. And you all know how much I love my African dishes, and she doesn't know how to prepare any of them. She doesn't do house chores. I mean, she's too demanding. She chokes me like I feel she's not natural.
Jamike, if this is your reason, I don't think it's sufficient. Because the guards, the maidens, they are there to do the house chores for you. So what are you complaining of?
Mom, if you must know, it's not all kind of chores that I'm going to tell the maidens to do for me. I need my woman to take care of some of it, not all the chores. The common things in the room. Putting my things in order. I mean, I mustn't tell you all, you should understand that. She lacks all of that. She's too lazy for my liking.
Those things can be amended. Maybe she doesn't know that she has to do those things.
Of course.
Don't you think so?
Dad, I can't pretend to like her. I must tell you the truth. This is one family here.
Son.
That's my big brother.
Son, we have been on this for so long. It's her.
And if you can recall, I told you people to hold on till I come back and see the person. But you guys kept on pushing.
We mean well for you, and you know that.
Well, this is me and my life, Dad. This is what I want.
That is my big brother. He knows what he wants. Please just let him be. He knows what he wants. He's an adult. Please, I beg you, Mom, Dad, please let him be. So sad,
I want us to talk.
Mom, I hope it's not about Dima.
Oh, son. No one is perfect. I know you have high taste of women that you want to marry. But at the same time, this girl has rejected a lot of suitors because of you.
Mom.
Yes.
You have repeated this over and over and over again. And I told you clearly, I do not have feelings for this girl. Is it hard for you to understand? I don't like her.
Son, I want you to give her just one more time. Let her prove herself. Eh? If she could not cope, then nobody will blame you. Eh? Just do it because of me, please. I beg of you.
Because of you?
Yes.
If I'm trying to accept this because of you, Mom, then you have to tell her to behave herself.
Oh, son, I will do that. Please. I will just do that.
I really don't know why this is difficult for you to understand. You keep pushing someone I don't like to me. It's wrong.
You get to like this girl with time. I beg you.
Fine.
Good. So when do I invite her over?
Maybe next week.
Really?
Hey! Namo! Oyirinne! Mwakibie!
Thank you very much. I promise you, you will like her with time. Okay?
You're so dramatic.
I'm not, please.
I am sorry for behaving the way I did. I am sorry for disappointing you. I am sorry for the things that I did wrong. Believe me, I never meant them the way you understood them. I am genuinely sorry, my prince. Forgive my imperfections. I am begging you.
It's okay. It's fine. If I haven't forgiven you, the truth is, the guards won't let you in talk more of being in my bedroom, so